In the beginning, there was Arcturus. We now give you Arcturus Nova. Step into the next evolution of the Galactic Voyager Series, our beloved classic, reimagined and better than ever. Building on the success of the original Arcturus, Arcturus Nova retains all the cherished sounds and celestial beauty that defined its predecessor. Introducing new features designed to enhance your creative workflow. Whether your focus is ambient, orchestral, electronic, or experimental, Arcturus Nova invites you to explore new sonic territories. From the depths of the sonic cosmos, a new legend is born.